Today I am going to solve this question from the chapter Indices of class 9 Mathematics, exercise 7, 15.1. So let us start. The first objective of indices is to take the bases as common. Now what do I mean by that? See, if you are given 9 over here and 27, you can write 9 as 3 squared and 27 as 3 cube. 3 cube, okay? See, in both the figures, the bases are the same. Okay, now this is our motive behind any sum of indices. Now we will try to relate this concept in this sum. Okay. So taking the base, making the bases as bases common, you can see 4 can be written as 2 squared, 8 can be written as 2 cube, and 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. Similarly, 64 can also be written as 2 to the power 6. Now, bracket implies multiplication. Multiplication between the power of the figure. Okay? Between the powers of the figure. Now, we are going to simply multiply the powers, and you will see that the denominators and the numerators are getting cancelled. See, now what we are left with? We are left with this. Okay. Now, by the law of indices, if we have a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m, we can write that as a to the power n plus m. We are going to relate this concept over here too. Since the bases are the same, 2 plus minus 1 plus 1, and if a to the power n and divided by a to the power m is given, then this simply implies that a to the power n minus m. Okay. So multiplication means addition, and addition of the powers of common bases, and division means subtraction of the powers of the same bases. Okay. Now 2 to the power 0 implies 1. In fact, anything to the power 0 implies 1. Anything, a figure to the power 0 implies 1. Okay. So we have over here as our answer 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2, which implies 2 squared, which means 4. So 4 is our desired or required answer. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.